got too excited and I'm recreating her look right now. So what we are witnessing here, y'all, that's the C42 foundation brush. Leah is her makeup artist here, and Leah is using this brush. And y'all actually sent this to me. I had no idea. I was in some meetings and I just went to check my DMs, and y'all are just as excited as I am. Okay, I'll see y'all tomorrow, but I got excited and wanted to tell y'all, and I really wanted to thank y'all for telling me. I love you. I love you so much. Here I am. I've missed y'all. I today can't be a long tutorial either. You know, I miss my routine. I am so delighted that I am able to travel and I get to go on business trips, but I like my routine. So I already have my skincare on, which I have my skincare on my saved highlights. And I need to do an updated one. Not that I don't love any of that, but I have ran out of that and I've switched to mostly Elemis. Right now I'm doing skin prep. And think of skin prep as primer. So I have 1 drop of this oil right here. This is from Elemis. And I don't have my skincare brushes with me, but I'm just gonna press a little bit of this underneath my eyes. Just gonna make sure that we don't dry up here in sunny California. And then whatever's left, I'll just kind of press here. Really press it in. And then I lock that in with this Elemis eye mask. Press that on top of it. It just kind of seals in your eye cream and that oil. Because I'm just going to be doing powder foundation today, I really wanted to focus on locking in moisture underneath my eyes. By the way, I don't know if you missed it or not. You might have. I did announce it on Tuesday, but the C42 is here. It's ready to go. It's ready to make its way to your makeup vanity. So unfortunately, this is going to be a quicker tutorial. I am trying my best to find time, but we have so many meetings and things going on. I hope that you can understand. I'm back on Saturday, and then everything is going to be completely back to normal next week. And I'm hoping maybe tomorrow it'll be a little bit more normal, but just bear with me. But y'all want me to travel because it's good stuff. It's good stuff. But I can finally tell you what the powder foundation is. This is the Makeup Forever. They reformulated it. It's fantastic. I've been using it I don't even know how long now. Y'all are gonna absolutely love it. And every time I do use it, y'all are like, what is that? When I couldn't tell y'all. And I'm using the C42. I'm just gonna apply that across my entire lid. And then of course, I'm going to do, let me finish my eyes and then we'll do the rest of the face. We're gonna grab the Inner Rush brush, and since all of this is set, it's just powder, I'm gonna grab 2 taps of my bronzer. This is the Gucci bronzer. I'm gonna tap it at first, just to kind of place it, and then I'm going to lightly sweep it. Notice how far back I'm holding it. That means I'm gonna have lighter pressure. We'll lightly sweep it back and forth, and since we're not setting a base, that's why I'm not pressing. And that's why I kind of call this the Inner Rush brush. 1, 2 more taps. And just shade a little bit. Just to add a little bit of warmth. Perfect. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. And whenever I'm in a hurry, I like to curl my lashes, apply mascara. I also really like this mascara. And then I like to do liner. I find it actually much easier to do liner because you kind of have the lashes already lifted, so they act like a really nice guideline, but I'm gonna show you. But right now I'm just chatting. Chat. MAC stack. And I love to roll this one through. I use this one because I did film an ad for MAC for the lash, there it is, I'm a dry shampoo. This one. But when I did, I wanted to use all MAC in that, but this is amazing. This is not an ad. I really love the mascara. I've worn it all day long too, and it just lasts. It's nice. This stuff's amazing. Now we're gonna do the powder foundation again. C42. And I kind of started the jawline because I could remember exactly where I started, and then I can build up. And also I know that by the time I hit here, I kind of want to build up that coverage. And then I don't have to worry about coming back down here and here and here. It's really just about even application. If you start somewhere and you remember where you started, it's so much better. Because I love saying this, makeup all at once is thin, even layers. But also this looks like a filter. Y'all are gonna absolutely love this powder foundation. I mean, the brush is pretty spicy too. That's so pretty. Let's put some here. We can blur that up. See how pretty and natural this looks? I know a lot of times when things get reformulated, we think, oh no. But sometimes we have to remember that we want these formulations, these reformulations. And the reason why is because science advances every day, and it makes these formulas better. So sometimes, I feel like many years ago, the reformulations, they could be a bit touchy, a bit sketchy, but not anymore. Because it's just all about advancing these formulas. And that's what we want. Because this is a beautiful powder foundation. Look at this. This one sits more smoothly on the skin than the older formula to me. I'm going to do my brown liner today from Stila. Love this one. There we go. Let's use this ColourPop blush today. I tried these, loved these. They got put in a drawer, I didn't know where they were. Found these, now I'm back in love. This is the shade Sweetheart. We're gonna apply this with the C41. And I honestly feel like this is just a nice little flush shade for my skin tone. I feel like this is perfect for what I'm wanting today. It's not a bright pink like the Too Faced one. It's a little bit more natural. It's pretty. Back into our Gucci bronzer. I gotta go do something with this hair. We're applying this with our C40. Just add a little bit of warmth. And remember, whenever I'm wearing powder foundation, I like to get a little bit wild with the bronzer. Not too wild, but I'm gonna show you. There's my C42. It still has a little bit of powder on it. And then I like to press this back in. See how natural that looks? I love doing that. I'm gonna wear this ColourPop lippy. This is the shade Tickled Pink. I love this color. And I know it might be a little bit jarring. You might think, ooh, looks pretty pale, pretty white. We'll just grab a lip liner closer to my lip. This is Huda Beauty Pinky Brown. And we'll just blend the two together. All right, friends, I'm gonna go, I think I'm just gonna do a half up situation. It feels right. I don't do hair. In fact, Ben will help me with my hair. All right, I love y'all so much. Tomorrow, I am going to try my best to sit down and do a full tutorial with you. The lighting is a little bit different, but I think we can make it work. But I'm just hoping that we have time tomorrow, but I'm doing the best I can here. I still just want to make time for y'all, and that's really what this is about. It's about making time and just hanging out with y'all. I love y'all so much, and I'm definitely going to be posting this evening, and I'll see you there in the comments. Glamzilla is right. Red blush is stunning, but I'm actually not going to use it as a blush today. See how that's a little bit too warm for me? I have a very pink undertone, so I'll take red blush, just a little bit of it, and I mix it into my foundation to give it more of a pinky red undertone. Do you see this? Let's put a little bit more over here. Mix it in. If you're like me and you have a pinky red undertone, red blush is great to have on hand. Let's look at it on the cheek. I'll just blend it in real quickly with my fingers like she does. So pretty. Beautiful as a blush. And if you have pink undertones like me, you might want to add this to your collection.